Let's do this. So I have good news and bad news. Good news is I've been doing this for about an hour and a half, and I've been making some good strides. I have proof here. I did all my research. I'm making an outline, very, very basic outline here. That's the good news, right? I stayed focused. I only played with Milo once. Didn't touch my phone, but now I'm hungry. What we could do is, you have two options. We could make a quick meal, take a little study break. I feel like we've earned it. I don't know, it's just me. I feel like we've earned it. We as in me. Or we could continue to study and be hungry. I know you guys don't want me to be hungry. So I made the executive decision to cook. Also, we're gonna have to go to the store because I don't have anything that I want to cook in the house. So that's the bad news, is this study break's probably gonna be an hour. About as much time as we put in. We're gonna take a break at that long. So, but I said I'm gonna get back to it. So after we make this meal, we're gonna go back to it. Pinky promise. Pinky. We're gonna make my favorite meal. Well, one of my favorite go-to meals. So I don't know if I've ever told you guys this, but I'm a pescatarian. Because of that, there's nothing for me to eat in the house. There's only chicken and bacon and all the good stuff that I can't consume. So we can go to the store, we can get some shrimp, right? And I can make shrimp pasta, my favorite. I can do more than just sing and study. I can also cook. A woman of many talents. Yes, I know I am gifted. So we can go do that. We can make my favorite meal, and then we can come back and really study. I'm serious. I'm serious. I will not take another study break. Let's go. Probably need my phone. Now let's go. All right, seatbelt is fastened. We're going to the store. I just need a pound of shrimp, please. These ones are good. How have you been? Same. How you been? Same, yeah. I have a YouTube channel, so I'm just filming. Going, yeah, trying.
What's your YouTube?
It's been about 4 hours, and I'm not gonna lie, we've gotten a lot of stuff done. I know, I bet you thought I wasn't gonna get a lot done, didn't you? I wrote a solid intro that I'm pretty proud of, actually. It came out better than I thought it was going to. Like the first few sentences, I know that this is like my first rough draft, but even the first few sentences were fire. And I was like, maybe we can keep this for the final thing. As I started going towards the body paragraphs, they weren't as good. Like some parts are good, and then some parts I feel like I could do better. But that comes with doing a draft. Like I know that this isn't my end all be all. I still feel like I could have done more, but I did get hungry, so we had to take a break for that. But I would call tonight a success. Did we finish the paper rough draft? No, but we got a lot done, and that's all that counts. It is currently 10:32, and for most people that doesn't sound late, but I am a senior citizen and I get up at 5, so it's like an hour past my bedtime. And I have work tomorrow, so I'm gonna put up everything. Thank you guys for studying with me, writing this paper with me, and I'll see you in the next video.